What's up, guys? So I realize we're just kind of all of a sudden at a boat dock, but I didn't really have the chance to vlog this morning because I'm gonna be gone for a couple days, so I spent the morning with the family and just didn't want to vlog. I wanted to hang out and be intentional with them. Now we're here. We're at Lakeside, Oregon. This lake is beautiful, this property is beautiful. I'm gonna be here for a couple of days with the Carrot team. And today I just really wanna cover kind of two things. The first thing I wanna cover is something I should have covered probably a long time ago, which is who this vlog is for and what it's all about and why I'm doing it. The second thing I wanna cover is talking about celebrating the wins. This vlog is for creators. It's for anybody with that creative spirit, anybody with that creative mindset, because I feel like no matter your outlet, as creators, we share a lot of the same struggles and a lot of the same wins. And so I figured this could be a good place for me to share the things that I go through, the struggles I have as a creator, on the business side, on the mental side, to kind of create a place where we can all talk about it. So that's who this vlog's for. Okay, I'm at dinner with the Carrot team, and I'm a huge fan of the show Hot Ones, right? Okay, I just gotta show you.
How many drops did
He just put, how many drops did you put?
I'm at 3.
3 drops of what's called pure 1.5 million Scoville, you guys. If you watch Hot Ones, I think the hottest one they do is like 1 million. I think Tabasco's like 5,000 Scoville. 1.5 million. Come on. I think Trevor's got it right here. This is the stuff. This isn't an eyedropper, you guys. Pure evil. 1.5 million Scoville. Okay, I'm gonna do my best. Not disturb these animals up here. And when I say celebrating the wins, to a lot of you that might sound obvious. You know, you get a win, you celebrate. But the reality is, in this creative space, creative entrepreneur space, it's easy to never stop and celebrate the win. And what I mean by that is you're so hungry and you're so determined that you just go, and never stop, turn around and celebrate the win. Imagine you're setting out to climb a mountain. You get to the top of that mountain, and when you get to the top, you realize there's another mountain that's higher with a better peak. So you keep going. What you forgot to do was stop and turn around at that first peak. A lot of times with our ambitions as creators, that's what happens. We want to do one thing, we achieve that one thing, and we don't stop and celebrate it. We don't stop and say, man, I did that, we made that happen. And that is critically important to staying passionate about what you do and remembering why you do it. As long as you're putting your all into it, you're going to make progress and you're going to get better. And so it's very important for you and your loved ones, and if you have employees or people that you work with, critically important for your team to stop and celebrate the wins. It doesn't have to be extravagant, huge, and massive. It just needs to be a moment to stop and realize, wow, we achieved the thing we set out to do. Now let's go get the next one. When you're climbing that first mountain, when you're starting out and you climb that mountain and you reach that first goal, I feel like it's really easy to stop and celebrate that win because it's the first one. One of my mentors, Seth, put this so well, which he said, in the beginning you have uninformed optimism. And then as you get better, as you learn more, as you get more into the business and more into the world of what you're doing, you get informed pessimism, right? So think about that. Uninformed optimism and then informed pessimism. And what that means is, in the beginning, you're like a kid. You're just stoked to be doing what you love. You're stoked to be doing what matters to you, and you celebrate all the time, even though you probably don't deserve to celebrate yet, right? Because it's fresh, you're new, you're a rookie, but you're just so excited for what you're doing, so you're celebrating, and you know that. And then as you go forward and you learn and you grow and you get more into it, you realize, man, you know what? There's a million videographers out there that are better than me. There's a ton of people out there better than me, so I can't celebrate this win. I can't celebrate the fact that I got to 500 subscribers because, you know, Peter McKinnon has 2 million. That's the informed pessimism, and that's a dangerous place to be in. You want to get past that. You want to get past that place and try to go back to that beginning part where you're just enthusiastic and positive about what you're doing and celebrate those wins. As you progress up these mountaintops, just don't forget to stop and turn around and celebrate the view.
My dad likes
doing like runs and stuff.
Yeah. Runs.
All right, update. So to get to the, what's that? Oh, thanks, dude. True friends carry your pillow for you when you're trying to vlog. It's my buddy Levi. So what we're doing is heading down to the dock. We're taking a boat to the lake house, and I've got like a heading out for a month suitcase, but you know, I got camera gear and I'm embarrassed about what I brought, but whatever. Levi's making me feel better about it. Oh, now to find this dock. I have this irrational fear of rodents. Sorry, for the vlog. For the vlog.
No. Yes, get off.
Blah, 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 blah. It just stopped. Well played, friend.
I gotta get around.
Yes. We were having a very lighthearted evening until we discovered that.
Come on, there it is.
Oh,
hit the brake. We need some more sand up there. I'll put it down after.
What just happened?
Don't blame the sand, you guys. Don't blame the
That was a
sand.
perfect throw.
The puck will do what it wants.
Yeah, that wasn't my fault. I didn't. I mean,
Oh yeah, they're both.
they're definitely they're on the edge.
Dude.
He's not gonna miss.
Miss.
Going first is the worst.
Blah, 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 blah. Just saying goodnight to the fam, man. This is a cool spot. Good night, you guys. See you tomorrow.